How to find your Binance user ID in the Binance app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install Binance application with the help of Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. Now to launch, tap to open it. Make sure that you log in to your account. To find your Binance user ID, tap on the Binance icon at top left corner of your screen. After that, you will land on the section where at top left you can easily see your user ID. You can tap to open it and then copy it as well and paste it anywhere you need it. And with that, you have successfully found your Binance user ID in the Binance application. I hope this guide was helpful to find your Binance user ID in Binance app. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.